welcome to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Yes, I have a cool bag because I don't know why not. I really enjoy my reusable bags. I know some of you guys have to pay for bags. In your states we don't, but I like these bags because you can fit so much more. Usually you can only put like a couple items in those stupid bags and then they rip open and it's just ridiculous. So I'm here to show you guys my second Walgreens haul. I feel like I'm white as heck. There we go. Does that look better? Yeah. Okay. So I did awesome. This ended up becoming a moneymaker, and I am here to show you guys what I got. Now I ended up getting some repeat deals because I really wanted to get Ibotta stuff. So I got the Rice Krispie treats again. These are great. One of them looks like an older one and one of them looks like a newer one. But they both expire the same day. That's awesome. I got two different boxes, two different fonts, but they both expire the same day. That's kind of cool. Okay, so these are 2 for $4. This is a monthly thing, so this probably goes until March 3rd if you guys want to do this deal. So you guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got, I think, in the 128 Smart Source or Red Plum. I can't remember on that. But if you guys can't get that coupon, I know if you guys join the Kellogg's Family Rewards program, you guys can actually print off a coupon on there. And you guys also want to submit your receipts there because you get free points. And then those points get, you know, some things. So definitely do that. So what you guys want to do is you guys will end up paying $3 for both of these boxes. But then you guys can submit a 60-cent rebate on Ibotta times 2, making the final price for these just $1.80 or 90 cents a box, which I think is a great deal. One thing with this, I forgot what was I going to say. Oh, I totally forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, I don't remember what I was going to say, but $1.90 or $1.80 is a great deal. Now I ended up I printed off more of those Well Yes coupons. Now I tried doing the incognito mode. If you guys not know what incognito mode is, it means you kind of go invisible on your browser and you're able to print off new coupons. But I was not able to go incognito mode with these, so I ended up having, I have 2 browsers. I use Google Chrome like crazy, and then when I need to also print off from Firefox, I also do that. Otherwise there's Internet Explorer if I'm really desperate. But I ended up doing my other browser and I ended up printing off 2 more of those Well Yes coupons. They're 75 cents off of 1 coupons. Otherwise, if you guys already printed some, it'll take you to 75 cents off of 2. We don't want that coupon. So these are $2, 2 for $4. You guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons. You guys will end up paying $2.50 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price 50 cents or just 25 cents a can, which I think is a great deal. I have yet to try this. This stuff actually looks really good, but I am not a fan of sweet potatoes. So I don't know. I might try it. So otherwise, I just give it to people who need it because canned goods are a great item to donate. This is pretty much an Ibotta haul for you guys because I wanted to do some Ibotta deals. Now, I ended up getting the Pepsi. I'm not a big fan of Pepsi. My husband is. I like Code Red, but I seldom ever drink pop or soda with caffeine in it because I get caffeine headaches because I'm not used to it. Root beer is my choice. So these were 2 for $3. It's always been 2 for $3. That's their normal price. You guys will get these for $1.50 a piece, which is an okay deal. But then you guys will end up paying $3 for the both of these. But then you can submit a 70 cents off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $2.30 or $1.15. It's not the greatest deal, but I wanted to get some Ibotta stuff and I wanted to show you guys more Ibotta deals. A lot of you guys said you finished level 3 and you guys are very close to level 4. So I want it to be a month where we all can do awesome by finishing. So we got that. My store had two of the Bic 2-pack razors. These were $1.49. You guys would just pay $2.98 for the both of these, but then you get $3, which is 3,000 points back, and you guys can pay with points and get points back. So this ends up becoming free or like a 2-cent moneymaker. So definitely do that deal. And I think these are great items to like give to people. I always want to kind of do a video where I'm giving. I don't know how you guys think about this, but I live in a town where there's a lot of low-income people, a lot of people who don't have, homeless people, I was trying to think of the word, and there's this town where there's this there's this area where they're just everywhere, and I kind of want to make like a goodie bag for them of like some razors and some snacks and stuff, but I'm like, I don't know if I should give them razors because, you know, I don't want them to hurt themselves, but I mean, these are great to give them because, you know, they might want to shave. You know, it's hard to say. And then I also like getting those little small little travel size things. So I don't know, what's your guys' opinion on that? I kind of want to do something like that this summer. Is give the homeless people on the streets a little, you know, goodie bag for some stuff. So let me know what you guys think of that. I ended up getting, I got my son a M&M like thing, but we ate it. There's only like 2 packs of M&Ms, but this was on clearance for 59 cents. So I ended up getting the Gillette 3 razors and the Gillette 5 razors. Now these, I did this in 2 separate transactions, and you don't. You want, what is that? You want to put that in water? Yeah. Can I see it for a second? Yeah, you can go put that in water. Go put it in water. Yeah. So what you guys want to do is these are on sale for $7.99. You guys want, there is a $2 off digital coupon on the Walgreens website. So you guys want to use that digital coupon. You guys would end up paying just $5.99 for this. But then you guys can get a $5 register reward for buying one, making the final price for this just 99 cents, which is an awesome deal. So there's that. And you guys can pay with points to get the register reward. A lot of you guys always ask that. You can always pay with points when it says spend so much, you get a register reward. So, or not spend so much, buy so much. So it just says buy one, you get a register reward. So yes, you can pay with points. So there's that deal. The other deal is if you guys have the coupon, these are also, they're both the same price. They're both $7.99. You guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys would end up paying $6.99 for this. But then you get also a $5 register reward. So this ends up becoming $1.99. Not the greatest deal for $1.99, but hey, I wanted to rack up some register rewards. So if you guys want to repeat this deal, you can repeat it as many times as you want. Just make sure to only use one coupon and one razor per transaction, and do not pay with these register rewards because they will not print. Walgreens does not let you roll register rewards. They let you roll points, but they don't let you roll register rewards. So just letting you guys know on that. So that's free money right there. And then the last deal I got is the Secret deodorant. Now I ended up getting their sports one that they got, and I scanned it on the website, but it said it wasn't available on Walgreens.com. So I ended up getting one that did scan on the Walgreens app, because I sometimes feel like if it doesn't scan on the Walgreens app, then the digital coupon might not work. So there's that. And if you guys are having problems with digital coupons, have them scan your actual card, or have them scan your card on your phone. I've learned, since I've not typed in my phone number, that I haven't had hardly any problems with my card lately. So these are $6.99 a piece. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So there's that. There is a digital coupon for $4 off a 2 that you guys can clip to your card. Now that coupon is only good for this week only. So you guys, Ben, can you not open that? So you guys would end up paying $6.49 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate times 2 on Ibotta. So that's $4 you guys will get back. So this ends up becoming $2.49 or just $1.25 a piece for these, which I think is a great deal. That's one thing I don't have a lot in my stockpile is the spray on deodorant. A lot of you guys like it. So I mean, it's just up to you guys what you want. But if you guys really want to rack up some Ibotta deals, go for that. And that was my haul. I didn't get much. A lot of it was repeaters, but I wanted to do a lot of Ibotta deals. So my total between both transactions came to $25.37. Please remember, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so that's how my out-of-pocket's a lot cheaper than most of you guys. But, you know, if you guys write all the deals down and do the math, then you guys can figure out how much you guys would pay out of pocket. I ended up getting two $5 register rewards. I ended up getting 3,000 points for the razors, and then I ended up getting 5,000 points because I had a Catalina for 5,000 points if you pay, or if you have $20 or more. Now please remember, don't pay with points if you guys have those Catalinas. Walgreens has been changing lately, and they haven't been giving you points if you pay with points. So I'm just letting you guys know on that. You guys want to pay actually out of pocket. But then I also got $7.90 back with Ibotta. That was because the Rice Krispie bars, the Pepsi, the soup, and the Secret deodorant. So this ends up becoming for myself a 53-cent moneymaker. I got everything for free. I was super excited. I want to show you guys a lot more Ibotta deals at Walgreens if I can, because a lot of you guys really enjoy that, because not everybody likes shopping at Walmart. Not everybody likes shopping at Target. So I try to show you guys as much of the Ibotta deals as I can, because it's so easy, you know, to submit your receipt and voila. But if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. Comment below. I'm always reading your guys' comments. You guys see I heart every single comment that I read because I enjoy reading your guys' comments. I've gotten to know you very well. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys enter my contest. You just have to send me a letter, a postcard, whatever you guys want. You have to have it sent before the 28th. I need to have them sent to me before the 28th of February. And just remember, if you guys want to enter, you still can. I will be keeping your guys' letters for future contests, so it's just easier for, you know, I like it. And a lot of you guys have been writing some really good letters. I've been really reading your guys' comments. I might even do like a unique surprise, because one of you guys sent me a really cool card, which I really enjoyed. But if you guys haven't already, you guys know what the drill is. Click the red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all another time for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.